Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And something weird is happening with the blog post at Google Chrome. Today, we did have a Chrome update. And so the last update was from February 4th, a week ago, when we moved to version 133. Now, if you look at the upper right corner, vertical dots, help and about Google Chrome, you'll see that you'll be pushed at 133.0.6943. Probably 59 or 60, depending on where you are in your operating system, Linux, Mac, or Windows. Now, the blog post has not been updated. It still says something about February 4th, which was the .54. So my guess is that this technically should be security updates. So there must be some security updates in here. I don't think it is bug fixes like Edge. Anyways, no blog post update in the Chrome release blog post. So we will actually take this as possible security updates, and also take this as the fact that if you have Chromium browser, you will probably be receiving this update at some point, with Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and even Edge. Even though Edge did have an update today, it is not this update. Usually there's always a distance, a few days before each. But I guess this must be security updates. It's just that there's no mention of it in any of the Google blog posts today, February 11th, which of course also, remember, for Windows users, is Patch Tuesday for Windows 10 and 11. So this is what is important to know. So it's Security Day probably. So check it out. Make sure you update your browser and that you stay safe. That's the best way to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.